Okay, today we're going to be replacing the dead LCD on this Acer. The model is ES15, Aspire ES15, aka the fancier part number ES1-523-44LU. You can see what the problem is. I believe it was dropped on the LCD, and that's all we get now. So make sure you turn off the power by holding down the power button for a few seconds. There we go. The first thing you need to do is remove the bezel here. It comes off quite easily just by, I've already started here, you can see. You just have to sort of get in here and pry this back a bit and you'll hear it unclip. So you just go around and through a combination of prying here and pulling from the edge, it'll come out pretty easily. Do a few remaining ones here. Be very careful, of course, you don't want to break any of this flimsy plastic. And off it comes. The screen comes out quite easily at this point. I've already taken out 2 screws, one here and one right here. So there's just 2 more at the top. Now I've seen some Acer laptops that have cables actually taped to the back of the LCD. So when you bring it forward now, pull it forward to remove it, you have to be very careful and carefully remove those cables. This one doesn't have that. It just has the one cable here at the bottom, the one connector. So just carefully. Oh yes, it's actually in these metal guides here, so don't want to grab onto those. Just grab the screen, carefully drop it down, and you'll see that the connector is attached to the screen with some tape, so you have to carefully peel this up. Of course, it's been done already, so it's not sticking too well anymore. And again, everything here is very, I mean, it's not, it won't break if you breathe on it the wrong way, but it is pretty fine pitch and finely wrought cables and connectors, so just be really careful. Don't force anything. Just carefully pull this connector back and it comes out quite easily. And there you go, we've got one dead screen. We'll put that aside. Get the nice replacement screen. I got a matte model because I much prefer that. I don't know why why the glossy ones ever became a thing, but anyway. So there's a protective cover on this, which I will finally take off. I'll leave it on as long as, I'll leave the plastic there as long as possible just to protect the LCD, but just want to make sure these tape things are off. Okay. Get it in place. And carefully get the connector in there. You can see it's very fine, and those wires at the back, like you want to be careful about disturbing the way they enter into the connector. Whatever I meant by that. I mean, if you poke around, you'll see actual exposed wires going onto the connector board. So you just want to be careful not to apply any pressure or anything like that. So I know it's difficult to see, but just very carefully aligning the get your good glasses on if you need them. Don't careful not to press on anything like the screen, or just be aware of what you're doing. Carefully slide that connector in. It goes quite easily. As far as this tape goes, well, it's not very sticky anymore, so I guess you could certainly put a new piece of tape there. I don't know if I'm going to bother. I think that connector will stay. But it might be smart to put something down there, I suppose. Anyway, that's for another time. Now we'll lift the screen up into position, and it goes into these rails, and has little locating pins here for the rails, and I guess the screen too, to some degree. Up we go. Okay, it's sort of sitting in those side rails now. I'll get a screw. Magnetic screwdriver is always a handy thing to have. I'm not sure if this is or not. Oh. I think I did something a bit wrong there. There's the tab on the screen should really be sitting in front of the this bracket, this part, and I got it behind here, which is probably not correct. So that's better. One down. Two, I'll just stop at 2 for now. Well, I'll put one more in just so you can see where they are. Okay, we're getting close to our time limit here, so let's cross our fingers and hope that that did the trick. Power it up. Ta-da! Success. Power it back down. Put the bezel back on. This is very simple. Just kind of presses back in. Just work your way around the whole thing, cutting in as you go. I'm not going to do it right now, so I want to clean it up a bit. And you're done. Nice new beautiful screen. Saved a laptop from the garbage, and less than $100 later I got a new nice little laptop. Thanks for watching.